to Hornet Boy, Terry, over at Vespids. Demaculate is your favorite, so this job's for you. It's first job of 2016. Sunday morning, June 26, 2016. Just got some footage before I get started. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Customer noticed this nest a few days ago. And the people like their monarch butterflies, and they noticed that they were going after the monarch caterpillars. Made a comment, and you can see they're kind of alarmed. I'd say about 20 or 30 workers most, but now they're going off. Got my suit on, so not really at a risk. They don't like the camera too much. Hear the buzzing, smell some venom. I love my work though. I charged probably about $100 for this job. So I was trying to just get some footage before I get started, but I'll show you about showtime now. Just hold it right there and they get sucked up. Doesn't take much to set off these bald-faced hornets. Their attack behavior isn't as scary, but they're more easily set off. See the inside. There's a queen. I sucked up the queen. Larva. As the rest is starting to build out here, these are newly built cells. You can see it right there. I try to make these videos interesting, and this species only has one comb for rearing workers, and usually in July they switch to a second comb. And then after the second comb, and all subsequent combs are used for the rearing males and new queens. Larval right one around in there. A lot of crop cells. Another week and a half, there'd be probably about 80 or so workers in this nest. Now it's just the foragers that are coming back. I suck them up and then the job will be done. Anyway, nice sunny day, and this is the first job for the Wasp Expert of 2016. Alright, have a good one.